A wireless microphone is a versatile tool for various audio needs, from casual karaoke nights to professional speaking engagements. Among the many options available, Bluetooth microphones stand out for their convenience and wide compatibility. Whether you're conducting interviews, delivering presentations, or simply enjoying some casual singing, a Bluetooth microphone offers the freedom of movement and easy connectivity that can enhance your audio experience. There are many Bluetooth microphones to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best Bluetooth microphone from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Bonac Wireless Bluetooth Karaoke Microphone. The Bonac Wireless Bluetooth Karaoke Microphone is a versatile and user-friendly device that combines the functions of a microphone, wireless speaker, MP3 player, and recorder. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, while a high-quality Bluetooth module offers seamless connectivity with various singing applications. With both Bluetooth and cable connection options, users can easily link their phones and access their favorite singing app. The microphone supports micro SD cards up to 32 GB and features song switching capabilities with a Bluetooth range of up to 10 meters. Multifunction buttons allow for easy mode switching and independent adjustment of microphone, echo, and music volume. Number 2. Ovelic Karaoke Microphone. The Ovelic Karaoke Microphone is a multifunctional device that serves as an integrated microphone, Bluetooth speaker, FM radio, and voice changer, making it perfect for various singing and entertainment scenarios. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.0 and 2S technology, it offers instant pairing, auto reconnection, improved connection stability, and extended battery life with a seamless 50-foot range. The microphone is compatible with tablets, laptops, iOS, and Android smartphones. Its composite horn loudspeaker features a larger dynamic driver, delivering hi-fi sound quality, deep bass, and 3D surround stereo for an immersive concert-like experience. The built-in high-definition microphones minimize environmental noise, ensuring clear and clean vocal reproduction. Number 3. Amazement Kids Karaoke Microphone. The Amazement Kids Karaoke Microphone is an all-in-one entertainment device designed for children aged 3-12, combining the functions of a microphone, karaoke machine, high-quality speaker, voice changer, and singing recorder. It features advanced 3-layer noise reduction technology, ensuring crystal clear sound with stunning KTV live sound quality and echo reverberation. The microphone offers 4 magic sound modes for voice alteration and is adorned with multicolored LED lights that dance in sync with voices and music, enhancing the party atmosphere. Utilizing Bluetooth 5.0 technology, it provides a stable connection up to 33 feet and rapid 2-second pairing with phones, tablets, and PCs. The device also supports TF card and cable connections for versatile with its portable design and multifunctional capabilities. This karaoke microphone toy brings endless fun to young entertainers anywhere, anytime. Number 4. Carpool Karaoke Machine for Kids. Elevate your car rides and family gatherings with the Carpool Karaoke Machine for Kids, inspired by the popular segment from The Late Late Show with James Corden. This all-in-one karaoke experience includes a stylish white and gold microphone, carrying case, charging cable, and all cord. Stream music from your phone or Bluetooth device and hear yourself sing on the radio, thanks to the high-fidelity dynamic mic with music synchronized lights, volume, and echo controls. Perfect for use in cars, boats, or anywhere with an FM radio. This versatile device works with any music or karaoke app, including the Singing Machine app, which offers a wide variety of family-friendly karaoke songs. As an added bonus, you'll receive 5 karaoke song downloads of your choice. Number 5. Beatrun Rechargeable Wireless Microphone. Introducing the Beatrun Rechargeable Wireless Microphone, a cutting-edge audio solution that combines convenience and professional-grade performance. This innovative system features dual microphones and a receiver, all equipped with built-in 1200 mAh rechargeable lithium-ion batteries, eliminating the need for disposable of batteries. Enjoy up to 7 hours of uninterrupted use with a quick 3-4 hour charging time, facilitated by the included cable that simultaneously charges both microphones and the receiver. The microphones boast a cool LED ring light that glows green during operation and red while charging, complemented by an upgraded clear white LED display. Operating on UHF frequency bands with US FCC GE compliance, these microphones offer exceptional signal stability and an impressive range of up to 240 ft, 75 m in open spaces. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my video description. And for any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.